He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of intensity, creativity, and unwavering determination, Changbin didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a passion for music and storytelling into one of the most respected careers among his generation of performers. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 11, 1999, in Yongin, South Korea, Changbin's journey began far from the sold-out arenas and international stages he would later command. From a young age, he displayed a strong interest in music, particularly in writing lyrics and expressing emotions through words. Rather than simply listening to music, he became fascinated by the creative process behind it, developing a passion that would eventually shape his future. His dedication led him to JYP Entertainment, where he entered a demanding trainee system designed to develop future stars. During this period, Changbin worked relentlessly to improve his rap technique, songwriting ability, performance skills, and overall artistry. His determination quickly set him apart, earning recognition for both his work ethic and creative instincts. His breakthrough came in 2017 when he appeared on the survival program Stray Kids. Throughout the competition, Changbin impressed audiences with his powerful rap delivery, confidence, and natural leadership qualities. Following the group's successful formation, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids in 2018, beginning a journey that would take him to audiences around the world. As Stray Kids expanded globally, Changbin became known as one of the group's defining creative forces. His aggressive rap style, sharp lyrical delivery, and commanding stage presence brought a unique energy to the group's music. Whether performing intense tracks or emotionally driven songs, he consistently demonstrated versatility and artistic depth. Beyond performing, Changbin played a major role in shaping Stray Kids' musical identity. As a member of the production unit 3 Racha, he contributed extensively to songwriting, composition, and production. This creative involvement helped establish Stray Kids as one of the industry's most self-produced groups, earning respect from both fans and fellow artists. By 2026, Changbin is regarded as one of K-pop's most accomplished rapper-producers. Industry professionals recognize his creative contributions, audiences admire his authenticity, and critics frequently highlight his growth as both a performer and songwriter. His career reflects consistency, artistic ambition, and a clear commitment to long-term development. Off-stage, his lifestyle combines discipline with balance. Fitness has become an important part of his daily routine, and he is known for maintaining a strong training schedule alongside demanding performance commitments. Despite his intense public image, he often embraces a more relaxed and grounded approach to everyday life. His fashion style reflects confidence and individuality. Changbin frequently combines contemporary streetwear with refined modern looks, creating a personal style that feels both powerful and approachable. Whether attending public events or appearing in casual settings, he projects a sense of self-assurance that mirrors his artistic identity. While public curiosity often surrounds his private life, Changbin remains selective about what he shares. He consistently focuses attention on music, creativity, and personal growth rather than unnecessary publicity. Within the industry, he is often described as hardworking, loyal, and deeply committed to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects years of success through album sales, world tours, songwriting credits, endorsements, merchandise revenue, and Stray Kids' continued global expansion. More importantly, he has built lasting credibility as an artist whose influence extends beyond performance alone. What many fans find most compelling is the contrast between his fierce stage persona and his warm personality away from the spotlight. While his performances are often intense and commanding, those who follow his journey discover an individual known for humor, kindness, and genuine appreciation for the people around him. Changbin's journey is defined by creation rather than imitation. From an aspiring songwriter in South Korea to a globally recognized rapper, producer, and performer, his rise reflects determination, discipline, and artistic vision. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern K-pop excellence, ambitious, authentic, and built for lasting impact. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of explosive energy, rhythmic precision, and unmistakable stage charisma, J-Hope didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a foundation in street dance into one of the most dynamic performance styles in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 18, 1994, in Gwangju, South Korea, J-Hope's journey began far from the polished training systems of Seoul. Dance was his earliest language. He grew up training in local dance crews, developing sharp technique, musical awareness, and a natural confidence on stage. Encouraged by his passion and early recognition, he pursued opportunities that would eventually lead him into the K-pop industry, stepping into a path defined by discipline and transformation. Years of structured training followed. Under Big Hit Entertainment, he expanded beyond dance, refining his rap delivery, stage control, and overall performance ability while adapting to the intense standards of idol training. His progression was not instant but built through consistency, focus, and relentless effort. In 2013, he officially debuted as a rapper and main dancer of BTS. The group's early rise quickly positioned them as a global force, and J-Hope's high-energy presence became one of the defining elements of their performances. His style, powerful yet controlled, energetic yet precise, stood out across both aggressive choreography and rhythm-driven stages. As BTS expanded into international markets, performing at major festivals and dominating global charts, J-Hope emerged as a key figure in delivering performance intensity and stage impact on a worldwide scale. His solo chapter marked a significant milestone. In 2018, he released his mixtape Hope World, which achieved strong international success and showcased his individuality as an artist. The project blended vibrant sounds with introspective themes, revealing both his optimism and creative depth. Later, with projects like Jack in the Box, he explored darker and more experimental concepts, demonstrating artistic evolution beyond a single image. By 2026, J-Hope is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry professionals recognize his consistency and stage command. Audiences connect with his energy and authenticity, and fashion houses view him as a bold and influential style figure. His career reflects strategic growth, balancing group success with individual artistic expansion. Offstage, his lifestyle combines discipline with creative freedom. He maintains structured routines that support physical conditioning, performance readiness, and musical development. Whether through rehearsals, studio work, or conceptual planning, creativity remains central to his daily life. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic identity. Known for bold styling, vibrant color palettes, and confident experimentation, J-Hope frequently appears at international fashion events and represents global luxury brands. His style feels expressive rather than restrained, allowing him to stand out across both music and fashion industries. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently focuses attention on his work and artistic progression. Within the industry, he is described as disciplined, energetic, and deeply committed to performance excellence. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and long-term brand partnerships. Beyond financial success, he has secured international recognition and sustained influence within the global expansion of K-pop. What many find compelling is his energy-driven authenticity. He brings intensity and positivity into performance, creating a connection that feels immediate and genuine. This presence defines his artistic signature. J-Hope's journey is marked by evolution rather than limitation. From a street dancer in Gwangju to a global performance icon, his rise reflects discipline, adaptability, and creative ambition. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, dynamic, expressive, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.